I'm going to demonstrate subtracting mixed numbers with unlike denominators using renaming. I'm going to show you the strategy decomposition. All right, so my first step is, well, right away I notice that my denominators are not the same. So I'm going to convert to have like denominators. If I didn't already know that my common denominator was 15, I would do the bubble method. I do know that it's 15, but I'm just going to demonstrate. So 3 goes in. I ask myself, do I have a first 5? No, I do not, so that goes in. And my common denominator is 15. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 4, I don't want to write it like that. So 4 and 1/3, I would multiply by 5/5 to get a denominator of 15, minus 1 and 4/5 times 3/3, because this would give me a denominator of 15. Now I'm going to simplify. 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, minus 1, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite my problem. I'm going to break apart my two mixed numbers. So I have 4 plus 5/15 minus 1, I'm sorry, in parentheses, 1 plus 12/15. The reason I do this is a lot of students will get tripped up, and the common mistake they'll make is when they rewrite this, they'll leave this as a plus, so I put it in parentheses when I break it apart so that they remember that you have to distribute this minus here. It's minus 1 as well as 12/15, so you don't just subtract the whole number. You subtract the whole number and you subtract the fraction. All right, so in my next step, I'm going to rewrite it again. So I've got 4 plus 5/15 minus 1 minus 12/15. Writing this as plus is one of the most common mistakes they'll make. Okay, next step. Now I'm going to group my like terms. I have 4 minus 1 plus 5/15 minus 12/15. Okay, now I can simplify. 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 5/15 minus 12/15. I can't simplify that because I know that I cannot take away 12 from 5. So I need to, essentially this fraction needs to be big enough for me to subtract 12 from it. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to break apart or decompose my 3 into 2 plus 1 plus 5/15 minus 12/15. Now I'm going to convert my 1 into an equivalent form of 1 that has a denominator of 15. So I have 2 plus 15/15 plus 5/15 minus 12/15. Now I'm going to add my fractions together. 15 plus 5 is 20/15 minus 12/15. Now I can subtract. So I'm going to go up here because I ran out of room. So I have 2 plus 20 minus 12 is 8/15. So that is the same as 2 and 8/15. Students need to use prime factorization to make sure this can't be simplified. So I'm going to do that off to the side here. Prime factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. If you didn't know that, you would do a factor tree. The prime factors of 15 are 3 times 5. They have no factors in common, which tells me that this is simplified. It's your final answer.